NCPL stock analysis and NCPL stock prediction. What I'll be doing in this brief and short 1-minute video is showing you my exact play. Unless I see some proper shifts or anything, there is no way I'm looking to buy. But you can see it's taken me 5 years to come to this point, and I've at least figured out what's printing me money and what's not after all this freaking research, right? Especially with NCPL, I'm looking to just double down on this and buy more. You know, this doesn't mean that I'm just going to immediately start buying like crazy, but it does in fact mean that moving on like tomorrow, only if I see some sort of like a proper shift, only then I'm looking to just double down buy. So look at this. It's my demand zone, and if I do not see it actually pulling down or doing anything really, there's no way I'm looking to buy. Just as it is. If you want the exclusive sauce that no one else has except 1,276 people, risk-free, click the first link in the description. It's taking me 5 years to learn this. You can learn it in hours. See you in the next one.